toss your hair back and loosely gather at the base of your neck, smoothing it back with your fingers, and then hold it tightly in your right hand. Grab below your right hand with your left and tightly twist your ponytail clockwise 2 times. And use your right hand to anchor the base of your twist as you bring it to the top of your head. Now get your ends out of the way and place your favorite claw clip over the middle of your twist, squeezing to secure. Divide your ponytail down the middle into 2 equal pieces, and we're going to create a rope braid, but you could also do a fish-strand braid. So repeat this pattern all the way to the end. Now take your braid and tightly twist it clockwise around your ponytail. Also hold it tightly against your head and begin fanning it out. Secure it with a small hair elastic, and with your index finger and thumb, make a hole just above your elastic, and then flip your ponytail up and pull it all the way through that hole to make another Topsy tail. Then hold your elastic with one hand and begin making small pinches throughout your Topsy tail, and you want these mostly to be in the center, and then of course plug some hair around your crown to add some volume.
Got drunk off your love, and I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't, I'm the prey. But this time I won't collide like I did yesterday. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it, I can't give it, I won't give it this time. You broke my heart once again. Well, you're bad, but you're bad it for me. I can't give it, I can't give it. I've already run with the wolves. Far from the light of the day. I can't go back to you, I'm stronger today. Been to the dark side, I don't know. So if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today. Tú tienes la pócima para enloquecerme, pero voy a draw the line. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sé que como un trofeo quieres tenerme, pero I don't need no one. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away.